Installation. Go to File, click Append. Choose the file you have already downloaded. Choose Object folder. You can also append the group node from Node Tree folder. This node setup only works with curve objects. Bezier curve. The cyclic checkbox controls whether the original curve is cyclic or not. Thorn count controls the number of thorns that appear. Material socket helps you choose material for thorns. Twist the main shape. The main radius only works when thorn count is greater than 1. It controls the twist intensity in the center. The subradius controls the radius at the start and end of the thorn shape. Trim. The meander socket helps you control how many meanders in your thorn shape. In other words, it controls the density of tips per thorn. Tapered. Thorn radius means the radius of a single thorn. Single twist means the twist of an individual thorn. But be careful when setting high values. It will twist the thorn shape excessively, resulting in an undesirable appearance. Noise shape. We can control the tips using the Tips panel. Thank you, hope you save time and find my product a good investment.